For the next generation Spectre X360, it was really about taking what was already great and making it even more powerful with a smaller footprint. The inspiration behind Spectre can be summarized in a single word: craftsmanship. We wanted to increase performance while reducing any aspect of redundancy and waste, and what we ended up with is a virtually borderless micro-edge display. The Spectre X360 is a sophisticated PC that delivers 4 different modes in one impressively thin design. It is as versatile as it is beautiful. The slim, carved aluminum chassis was sculpted from a solid block of metal for a more refined aesthetic, and the 360 geared hinge is encased in stainless steel to provide long-lasting stability in all 4 modes, allowing effortless transitions between high-performance laptop, sophisticated presentation tool, awe-inspiring multimedia display, and a Windows Ink certified tablet with quality you can feel. We've upgraded to a powerful 7th generation Intel Core i7 processor and added hyperbaric cooling to optimize thermals and deliver even better performance than before. And with PCIe solid-state drive options up to 1 terabyte, the Spectre X360 starts up in seconds to access files faster than ever. It was critical that this level of performance was balanced with equally powerful reliability to keep up with you throughout the day. With up to 12.4 hours of battery life and HP fast charge that gives you up to 50% charge in just 30 minutes, you can spend more time doing what you love and less time searching for an outlet. We wanted to make sure the experience was as captivating as the device itself. The nearly borderless micro-edge display is now powered by discrete graphics and audio by Bang & Olufsen. The new Spectre X360 doesn't just grab your attention, it holds it for what is truly a remarkable cinematic experience. We've taken every opportunity to enhance the user experience. Windows makes sketching and taking notes as quick and natural as using a sheet of paper. Office apps compatibility simplifies editing and collaborating down to a single tap. The brilliantly crafted and outstandingly advanced Spectre X360 raises the bar for design and innovation in personal devices.